The final is spiking the high ping. Here's what's causing it. First thing, check if a new season just dropped. Every new season, servers get hammered for about 2 weeks. It's not your connection, nothing to fix. The ping normalizes on its own. If this is day 1 of a new season, you might just need to wait it out. Still happening outside of season launch? Keep going. On Wi-Fi? That's your problem. Plug in Ethernet. The finals is sensitive to packet loss, and Wi-Fi drops packets constantly. That alone drops most people from 150 plus to under 50. On Ethernet and still lagging? Next fix. Right-click the Windows icon, select Task Manager. Go to Performance, click the 3 dots, Resource Monitor. Click the Network tab at the top, sort by send. Anything hammering your upload while you play is stealing bandwidth from the game. Right-click a background process, end anything that is in the finals. Launch the game and check your ping. Windows Search, CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator. Yes. Type and run ipconfig/flushdns. Enter. Done. Then netsh winsock space reset. Enter. Restart your PC after this one. The finals should be running clean. If you're still spiking, drop your ping number and your connection type below.